The following is the installation information for the CEW SRE-WM. Please also refer to the installation instruction sheet for additional detail. The CEW SRE-WM can be mounted directly to a wall or to the ceiling by using a canopy to J-box, or end mounted by using the pre-molded hole in the side of the unit. The exit has two removable chevrons mounted in the faceplate to show the direction to the nearest exit. AC connections are made with 120 or 277 volt AC input. In each instance, the black or red wire is connected to the hot building wire and white to the neutral building wire. The unused wire must be capped. Once AC connections are made, the exit should have a steady green LED test button. This concludes the installation information segment.